We say in Somali galab wanaagsan. Yes, wanaagsan, that's a good one. And we say normally, Assalamu alaikum. Peace upon all of you. Number one, I was quite very busy yesterday. I didn't make on time to come to that farewell ceremony. So please give my salams and greetings to those guys who are going back home. And tell them how we appreciated them, how we are grateful for their service, for what they did. As Rex was saying, yes, time has come for Africans to say we're gonna solve our problems. If there is a problem somewhere in Africa, it comes down to the AU, to the African Union, to say yes, we can. We can sort out our problems. We can help each other. We can make sure that we are there for them. We are where we are today because of you guys. Being far from home and offering your blood, the most precious thing that someone can give it to you. I'm going to sacrifice my life for you. Being far from home. We're very grateful and we're very, very appreciative. I'm glad to be here today with you. Very glad to be here with you. And I'm looking forward, inshallah, working with you side by side. We will plan together. We will revise our plans together. We will implement together. Our commitment, my commitment and your commitment is to take the SPF from point A to point C, wherever we can. What I can tell you is we do have so many different challenges. Too many challenges. We have a security challenge, so you know that. There is a gap what the people are expecting from us and our performance. There is a gap in terms of know-how. So what I want from you is to enhance that capacity. Enhance that capacity. Whether it's an investigation, or whether it's a softwares, or whether it's inventory, whatever it is. I need you to help us on what we lack. And mostly, we lack the know-how. We lack the knowledge you have. Your efforts and your commitment will not be in vain. It will not be. I will follow up every single step. I will follow up the departments that you will interact with them. I will stand by you in terms of promoting what you have to cascade to them. If you come up with a plan, and if you think that that department is not up to you, it's not up to what you were expecting, you can understand that after 30 years of lawlessness and anarchy, you will not find the right people. But still again, this is the human resource we have. This is what we have. And these are the people that you need to enhance their capacity and show what the policing is all about. How to create safe and secure environment. How to investigate these transnational crimes. When it comes to the crimes, we have terrorism, and that's transnational crimes we have, which is tier number one. Until number 2, we have the organized crimes, whether it's drugs or environmental crime, charcoals and so on, whether it's narcotics, another crime, human trafficking is another crime, all those organized crimes as well. And then we have the so-called traditional crimes, which is the normal crimes, like theft or bits and bits like that. I am positive that you will make a difference. I'm very positive. I am positive that we will be on the right path. If we do that, if each one of you goes to their own department and sit down with them and discuss with them and plan with them, that will be more productive than staying AMISOM police and SPF. I want the SPF and the AMISOM police to be one.